Hi, this is Terry at GoMining. I'm just going to do a quick update on why do I use GoMining. Well, it's easy to mine Bitcoin. I don't have any machines. I don't have any heat. I don't have to have a garage full of electrical wires. It's digital miners, and this is my digital miners. And each of these miners are shares in GoMining's data center ASICs in their data centers mining Bitcoin every day. I don't have to take care of the maintenance. I don't have to take care of the electricity. I don't have to take care of the infrastructure. I just get Bitcoin every day. How much do you say? Well, let's go check it out. So as of November 2nd, I grossed 29 GoMining token or 1350 net. And here's my service maintenance expenses. What is that in US dollars currently? 1146, 534. Is this a viable solution? Yeah, absolutely, because I don't have to scale up mechanical infrastructure and all that stuff. I just have to buy digital miners, and I can buy increments of 1 terahash. Have people actually been making money on this? Absolutely. When you check the leaderboard, the biggest investor is at $37,000 US daily, or 0.3 Bitcoin daily. It's real. Check it out.